Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate trading psychology with TraderSync step by step clearly. Download and install TraderSync on your device. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Navigate to the settings section to customize your account. Select Trading Psychology from the menu options. Activate the trading psychology features you wish to use. Set your trading goals and objectives in the designated area. Choose the metrics that will help you track your psychological performance. Establish your trading routine through the Planner tool. Link your brokerage account for seamless trade importing. Record your trading activities in the journal provided. Utilize the emotion tracking feature to note your feelings during trades. Review your trades regularly to identify psychological patterns. Analyze your emotions using the built-in reporting tools. Adjust your trading strategies based on your psychological insights. Use the feedback loop to continuously improve your trading mindset. Participate in the community forums for additional support and resources. Stay informed with TraderSync's webinars and educational materials. Monitor your progress regularly to ensure you are on track. Implement the lessons learned and adapt your approach as necessary. Continue refining your trading psychology for better outcomes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.